Hello everybody, I wanted to show you quickly how you could move some files between your existing courses, maybe some old courses that you have, and also courses that are older courses that you taught that are still in the Blackboard shell, moving some files maybe to Google Drive, and then also moving them into another class and so forth and so on. So this is a little area that many people may not know already exists, and so I wanted to show everybody. So what I'm talking about is if you go into the My Files tab right here, so once you log into Blackboard, you'll get your shell that looks just like this. Go ahead and click on My Files. Once My Files comes up, your default location is probably going to be whatever content that you have with your username right here. But what I want you to actually do is look for the content that says course content. Now what this course content is, if you just click on the courses, this will show every class that you have taught probably within the last year or so. Classes that are beyond that usually get archived. And so this is a great way to find PowerPoints, homework assignments, things like that that you may have assigned to a class. So for instance, I'm going to look for a class called CSS 211 in the list here. Here we go. So here's a class CSS 211. And what I see here is a glimpse of all of the homework assignments that I've assigned. So I have weekly homework sheets and those PowerPoints. So what I could do, and it makes it really handy, you could go ahead and just check the items that you would like to download. And so the easiest way to do this is just select the various items. You can click on an item just like that to download it. I'm going to go ahead and select all these different various items that I've uploaded to the shell for that class. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom. And I can download all of these items as a package. I could even email it to me. But I'm going to go ahead and click on download package and let's see what that does. So this starts a download right here. We can see that everything is starting to be downloaded. It's going to take a little while because there's quite a bit of things in there. But let's also play around and see what the email items does. So it says go ahead and check one or more boxes to go ahead and email them. So for this one, I want to keep it a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the homework sheets. I'm going to click email items, and now we get a few more details here. Who do I want to email it to? So I could add an email address. That's probably the easiest thing. Go ahead and click submit. Submit again so that it goes into that field. Links to the following items, and it shows that it's going to attach them as links. Items emailed. So I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. So external users will not be able to access some of the resources being sent. Public access to the file must exist in order for this to be possible. Do you want to email them anyways? So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now if I go into my email, it comes up pretty quick, doesn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and click in there, and now it creates just a link to all the various different items. Of course, you have to be logged into the Blackboard shell to see it. And it took me to the actual folder where all this stuff existed. So I'm not real sure where that comes in real handy yet. While we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and log into Google Drive here because I can see my file, my package is already downloaded. And I'm in my drive, so I could create a new folder. And I could say this is CSS 211 fall quarter 2014. So I'm going to go ahead and create that folder. And then right here is my zip folder. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And now everything that I added to that package all shows up right here. So let's see if Google Drive will make this real easy for us. I'm going to go ahead and go into this folder, go back into here, and just drag all of the items from the zip package. Is it going to work well? Doesn't look like it works well as a zip package, so this is really great practice right here. So probably what we're going to want to do is add everything to an unzip. So we're going to want to unzip the package. So I'll just create a folder on the desktop here. CSS211 again. And I want to move everything there into that folder so that it's all unzipped. Now that I have it all unzipped, if I go back to Google Drive, I can go and drag across, and now everything is going up just fine. So no USB drive needed. No need to worry about that your course content is going to disappear after a year. You can save everything here, and then once you go to teach class again, you could pull out, edit, and make any revisions that you want to your new class. So I hope this video has made things a little bit easier for moving some files from within our Blackboard environment into your own personal file space. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.